There's a wide world of packaging materials and products out there, from plastics and rubber to glass and paper, and a lot in between that might surprise you. You'll see it all at Interpack. We're at Interpack 2026, this time at Tagaleaf Industries. We're talking with Monica Battistella. The topic is bioplastics. Maybe you can tell us, do they represent an alternative to more traditional plastics, especially when protecting things like food? Do you have any solutions for that?
We believe that bioplastics can complement the traditional solutions. For instance, when the final product is very much contaminated with residual foods, and in some regions where, for instance, collection systems are not in place, so in some regions of the world, because we are a global company, definitely this could be a nice and valid alternative.
IK with Mara Hanker. Thank you for taking the time to be with us. The topic is plastics, obviously a very important material for packaging, but it faces public criticism. What do you say to people who are skeptical?
Yes, you're absolutely right. I think we have to shift the conversation from emotion more to facts and figures, and we need to be more vocal on our successes we already achieved during the last 5 to 10 years. It's a sustainable material, it's a valuable resource for a circular economy, it perfectly protects our products, it lowers the CO2 emissions, and especially when it comes to transport due to its high lightweight. So I think we need to shift the perception of plastics.
BV Glass with Dorothee Richard. Thank you for taking the time to be with us. You know, we're in the halls. There's a lot of materials, plastics, rubber, paper, but we're here to talk about glass. Why does it stand out?
Glass stands out because it's a natural and highly reliable packaging material. It protects what matters the most, the original taste, freshness and purity of food and beverages, because it does not interact with its contents. Consumers value it as a safe and sustainable packaging choice. At the same time, glass is highly versatile and continuously evolving. So when the choice is about future-ready packaging, choose glass.
Jörg Pfützner from the IPA, International Packaging Association.
The market for metal packaging is quite a dynamic, but also a very diverse one. You have to think of various segments. You have to think of beverage cans, Sprite, Coke cans from aluminium, but you also have to think of our steel cans like General Line or aerosol hairspray or food cans. There's a lot of growth when you think of craft brewers converting to metal packaging, for example, but also in the other segments, depending on regionality, we see quite good growth, and I would say probably between 2 and 3% annually.
Neil Fox, thank you for taking the time to be with us. Why don't you tell us how sustainable is cardboard packaging compared to plastic packaging?
Cardboard packaging is extremely sustainable choice as a packaging solution. Cardboard is a renewable raw material, and in the case of Metz's cardboard, we use over 90% of the energy we use to produce it is fossil-free.
Hello, my name is Yevgen Zolotkovsky. I'm a sales director at Flexible Packaging Papers at Köhler, and I try to develop with our team the barrier packaging paper all over the world. I think paper becoming more and more important material in the packaging industry for several reasons. As you can see behind me, this is the real products from shelves of different retailers, and they and the brand owners consciously choose paper over plastic because paper can be recycled up to 25 times. Plus, it offers the required barriers for the products like confectionery, chocolate, powders, and many, many more.